Hi there, folks, it's Jeff Living here, and tonight I want to talk to you about the most iconic knife that Spyderco has ever come out with, and that's the Paramilitary II. Now, for all you Spidey fans out there, when you get one of these dropped off by the UPS truck, you're getting something pretty momentous. It's a pretty big occasion. The Paramilitary II is by far Spyderco's biggest seller to date. And I know we've spoken about it before when I did a versus video against the Ganzo G732. But I thought that I would give the Spyderco itself its own video. And so here you go. Now, first off, this is so beloved by Spyderco fans that there is all kinds of different customizable things that you can do to it. You pretty much got every kind of scale material known to mankind. G10, wood, copper, brass, and micarta are just a few of the different scales that you can get. There's carbon as well. You can get customized hardware such as these here are anodized in several different colors. You can get different blade steels and different types, different colors. Here we got S3V on this one, and it's the blackened version, which is exactly what I was looking for. Now, as far as customizing goes, I didn't customize this one at all, and the reason for it is this was exactly what I was looking for. I found it at a place here in New Zealand, and they delivered it to me, and it's exactly what I was looking for, which is the G10 camel scales, the blackened S30V blade, the blackened clip, and the blackened screws. And so there you go. Now, one of the beauties of the Paramilitary II is you can carry the pocket clip in all four configurations. So that's tip up, tip down, left hand, right hand. And so that's great. It fits just about everyone. We've got a compression lock here, which is a bit different from the actual liner lock. But, whoops. Takes a bit of getting used to if you're actually used to a liner lock. But you can get there. Okay, let's see. What we got here? Let's go over the particulars of this knife here. That's the G10 scales. It's got phosphor bronze bushings, which makes it a very smooth operator to open and close. The blade length is 3.5 inches, and it has an overall length of 8.25 inches. And as you can see here, I don't know if it'll show, that's got milled out liners, which gives this a nice lightweight of 3.8 ounces. And it's a free flow design, as you can see. So there we go. Now there's lots of different ways that you can open the knife. There's the Spidey hole, of course, which is the standard kind of way. And then there is this bad boy here, which I'm still not really good at. Let's try it one more time. There you go. And that's the middle finger opening. And then, of course, we've got the gravity opening, actually using the, 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 uh, 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 this one here. which is not my favorite because there's too much different movement that you gotta do. And, but yeah, there you go. One beautiful knife, man. And, if you're a Spidey fan, you know the Paramilitary II. Is it a cheap knife? Nah, not even cheap. But you get what you pay for. If you're a Spidey fan, you don't have a problem with paying for it. Alright, folks, there you go. The Spyderco Paramilitary II, an absolutely iconic knife, one that I would take down line any day, and just great for all around ADC carry. So take care. Until next time, see you later. Bye.